and welcome to a new session of tutorials here at 3ds. Today we have an exciting tutorial. Today we're going to go over the new 3ds tags. The tags preserve the same functionality as the older version, however now they have a new look and new capabilities added to them. So let's dive into it. To access tags, choose your tour, go to Workspace, and click on Tags. Before we add our tag, you see that you can import or export your tags. Then we have a couple of settings here. The toggle Matterport tag switcher shows the bar to navigate between the Matterport tags in the 3D store. It shows up at the top center of the space. And the toggle Matterport dock switcher offers the dock button to unfold the tag information on the sidebar, left or right upon your preferences. Let's add our tag. You can see that the tags section has a new refreshed look now. It is divided into 4 sections: content, action and click, appearance, and keywords. First, notice that these 2 compact sections here allow you to move the tag throughout the editing mode and the reposition mode. In the content section, you can add a title, description, and upload media to attach it to your tag. I have named and added a description to my tag. Now let's add our media. As you can see now, you can add several media items, images, videos, and PDF included, together in one tag. Of course, you can add images separately, videos separately, and PDFs separately too. If you need all the materials to be together attached to your tag, now you can do that. I have added a couple of images here, a video. You can also add a PDF. And same as before, you can customize your tag. You can change the background color. You can choose an icon, or you can add a custom icon. Let's save and see the result. Okay, so this is our tag. As we hover over the tag, we see the new design now. You can check out the new interface of that. You have the gallery that you have added here, images, video. You also have the audio for the video. This video in particular does not have an audio. That's why you cannot hear it, but you will check it out in a couple of seconds. There you go. I wanted to show you that now you can add a video URL here. We are back at our tag, and here is our video. As I mentioned before, now you can attach a PDF to a tag. So let's create a tag and offer a special spotlight for the PDF. Okay, this is our tag with the attached PDF to it. You can hover over it and it will open like this, and you can navigate like this, or you can press on this button and the PDF is going to be showing in a bigger icon here. Another new thing I wanted to emphasize is this little setting button. Now you can customize the layout of your tag. So you can choose the action over the hover. Do you want nothing to happen, or do you want a tooltip to appear when you hover over the tag? You can customize and choose according to your preference. Now let's move on to the action on click section. So this section is where you decide what do you want to happen when you click on the tag. So let's name our tag. All right, so actions on click is where you decide if perhaps you want nothing to happen when you click on the tag, or do you want a pop-up to appear with the title and description and the image that you add to it, or you want some more advanced actions to happen when you click on the tag. So let's go over the tour link. So tour link action type means that if you want to be redirected to another tour when you click on the tag, then select the tour link action type and you need to paste the URL of the tour. If you want to be redirected to the starting point of the tour, then add a public tour link here. But if you want to be redirected to a specific location within the tour, then use a deep link. Just navigate to the tour and press on Ctrl Y on your keyboard. Go back and paste. Let's save and see the result. All right, so this is our tag. Let's click. And in an instant, we are redirected to another location within the tour. Moving on to New Tab. New Tab is when you want a specific website to be opening in a new tab. just copy the URL and paste it here. Let's click on our new tab action type, and we're redirected in a new tab. Next action is the audio player. This is essentially to play an audio file when you click on the tag and save. Let's click on our tag. So you notice now that you have a special audio interface for this little player so that you can play your sounds. Then we have panorama. So panorama action type means that you will essentially be redirected to your panorama. You need to add your panoramas here in the panorama section, and then you will have them in your list and select the one which you need to go to. Now I don't have any, that's why I don't have any panoramas here. The next action type is iframe. Iframe is when you want to open a specific website inside your 3ds tour. In order to do that, all you need is the URL of that website. Make sure to test with the iframe tester the URL that you want to insert here in order to see if it's compatible with iframe. All you need to do is to paste the URL, render iframe. It has loaded here. It means that it is compatible to be using it for an iframe. So just paste the URL here and save. All right, so this is our tag. And this is the iframe opening inside the tour. You now also have the keyword section here. This is to add keywords for the navigation tool so that you can search the location by keywords. Moving on, there is a separate section which we are going to go over, and that is the navigation feature for our tags. Click on the plus sign to enable it. Let's name our tag. And let's go to this section. You've got the AR path settings as well as the web path settings, which you can disable if you want to. But if you want to customize, you can customize it by displaying the content or not, having or not having the teleport button in order to move instantly to the destination. Auto move button is when you want the system to move you automatically, sweep by sweep until you arrive at your destination, or have autoplay is when you start the navigation automatically without you clicking on the play button. Let's leave it like this and save. In order to see the navigation of the tag, you would need to add the tag to the burger menu. This is how it's done. Make sure that the burger menu is enabled, click on plus, add the menu item, in our case is our tag, select the tag category, and select the tag which has the navigation enabled. Save, and let's go to the public link. Access your burger menu and click on our tag. And there you go. This is the navigation which has been generated by our system in order to lead your visitors to the locations that you have added to the menu. This tag is also going to show in the navigation menu here. So let's go to navigation, make sure that you enable web navigation in our case. Select yes, and go to navigation menu, and you'll see the tag here. It fell automatically under the other category, and now we can see the result.